I deal with? How much grade are going on Monday? 3 grade? Alright then, big up here. Alright. How much grade are going in September? 7th grade? How much grade are going in September? How much grade are going in September? 4th grade? Alright then, big up. Yeah. 10% of every shoe in the store. How much grade you now going in September? Much 7th grade? 7th grade you are going in? Brown man. And you look so liquor? So yeah, how much? Yeah. No man, big up yourself man. So big up on yourself, yeah. Alright, you're good man. Back to school.
Today, and the children playing and giving away. You have children at school, you have Glasgow, you have Ireland, you have KFC, you have Archive. Give away bags to the children. You have company, you have.
Again, give her a clap.
Yeah,
You tried, but I have to say, give her a voucher,
back
please.
to school giveaway.
Huh?
Hello, miss. I wanna deal with that stuff.
Dance, one last song.
No, I'm people I'm foreign.
The dancers. I've been
people I'm foreign, mama.
So I have to be.
So I wanna have your stuff.
Ready now?
Yo, they don't want to come on camera, don't come in the street. Everybody have their phone and video.
People over there, some people over there.
Now what me ask you, I want to have your stuff.
Clear the area, please. You can come down. Hello?
You don't want them on the camera.
Only can come down
Shy.
this way. Hey, yes, come on, we can come down this side. But we're going to do something up there
always
now.
afraid of the camera, I don't know why.
We're going to be doing something up there. Ella, pull it on. Yeah, clear the place.
I miss alone, some alone.
Alright, so. Yeah,
For the kids, them, right? Oh. So, yes, so they want to give you a loan, yes, so. Yes, so it's a back to school giveaway.
Alright, now, you ready?
As they can see.
Quick and fast.
Kids them there, the mother and father, everybody. Some of those there are going, make you see what are going. See me? Back to school, I don't know what I'm going in. Like some giveaway I go on, got a line and long.
Island grill from over the the key. It's a the key. Education, it's a the key.
Alright, so listen. They all did wonderful. They did well. Give them a round of applause. But we can only have one winner. Come this. This is the winner for the singing contest, adult contest. Now he's going to give you guys a voucher each for participating. Yeah man, your stuff there, you can have them. Alright, so we're going to go over to the stage over there so people, hey, look over there, we're going to get
I go on, mama. So I come catch you, I come here and catch. It's them there, I line up to collect them local package. So this is a mega link. A mega link this. Mega. So right outside the archive section. I only for sponsor there, no joke. You see me? Only for sponsor there. Where them a give away some, mama?
They might give away some, but you know, don't get no, it's the line.
Right, me a see. Oh, yeah, me not wrong, yeah, right thing for the day in the line. Let's go and money for them. Alright then. So some giveaway I go on here, so and I the people them want. Antoinette. Antoinette, turn all man. We are eye for my camera for mama. But if you don't want to get video, don't come in on the street.
Streets are for everybody.
Eh?
Streets are for everybody.
Yeah, I like what you say. Streets are for everybody. Say good door. So they are burn up in the sun. You don't have an umbrella. So your daughter you have collect things for. So you make sure you go and stay in the line then, man.
No man, they have to push for more card.
Oh, yeah. Big up yourself here, mama. Skin pretty like mine here. Alright then. So, I don't know. When I look at competition thing up here, so stop. I'm going to tell you too. Yeah, say. What? Slavery on the team. I would ask Clark, yeah, say. That is the one young Javi. Yeah, man. Them little girl, I know them, but I don't know where them are going to do. Hey, Shani, I don't know where you can sing. Alright. All team on. So, I know what them pick me, you know.
Alright.
big selector there. I him there party last night, you know. I him there select today. Yes. Big selector, where you going with? Shell down the place last night when people ever move. I love that. Big up yourself. Yeah man, see dog there. They were party last night and I him the day they play, you see me? Yeah man, they are all our vibes. They are doing my local YouTube vlogging, you see it? Yeah man, I was going to do now, because I know your vlogging's already, you see it? They couldn't see what I go on, they know my chefs go already. I wish I them have touch feet effects.
So them are talking.
Oh. No, how do you think I work? Yeah, I work. I don't play time now, you see me? Alright. So big up yourself, bad bro. Alright, my friend. Yo, big me up on YouTube. Big up DJ Gasha.
Big up DJ Gasha, and you know the thing.
Alright, they make them know I wish DJ this.
One DJ has up on the wings of stage, you know?
You hear that? Yeah man, cause me and DJ we have to link up at the air, you know.
Yeah, I'm a dog too.
Yeah, we have them link up so. Anyone of my DJ friend them link up to me and them look on YouTube more and energy there, you see me?
That is it, man.
Alright then, big up here. Mama, yeah, your granddaughter walk. Yes, so back to school, the place active. Thanks for life, you know. Life is the most greatest thing. The activity of life. Alright. How do you do it? How much grade are you going on Monday? 3 grade? Alright then, big up, yeah? Alright. How much grade are you going in September? 7th grade? How much grade are you going in September? How much grade are you going in September? 4th grade? Alright then, big up. Yeah.
10% of every shoe in the store.
How much grade you now going in September? Much 7th grade? 7th grade you are going in? Brown man. And you look so liquor? So yeah, how much? Yeah. No man, big up yourself man. So big up on yourself, yeah. Alright, you're good man. No, I'm not video. I'm not for you to head hard. Once said, don't video me, you know. See it there. How much grade are you going in September? Eh? How much grade are you going in September? How much grade are you going in September? 4th grade? 3 grade? So I'm there just ask to pick them some questions, you know? They couldn't see what they pick them and deal with. How much grade are you going in September? Eh? How much grade are you going in September? Basic school. Alright my boss, big up. Pretty girl, like your dress, yeah?